Swimming. The rhythmic motion of arms slicing through the water, legs kicking behind in a synchronized dance. It's a full-body movement, engaging muscles I never knew I had. The water envelops me, supporting my weight as I push myself forward, propelling through the liquid embrace. There's something freeing about swimming, about the way my body becomes weightless in the water. It's a temporary escape from the constraints of gravity, a moment of pure fluidity and grace. Each stroke is a deliberate act, a push against the resistance of the water, a test of strength and endurance. I can feel the burn in my muscles, the steady ache of exertion as I push myself harder, faster. It's a different kind of workout, one that challenges not just my physical strength, but my mental fortitude as well. With each lap, each breathless moment of pushing myself to go just a little bit further, I feel a sense of accomplishment that is unmatched by any other form of exercise. And the calories, they melt away with each stroke. Swimming is a calorie-burning powerhouse, a workout that torches fat and builds lean muscle at the same time. It's a total body workout, engaging muscles in my arms, legs, core, and back, sculpting my body into a lean, strong machine. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Swimming is a mental escape, a moment of solitude in a world that is constantly clamoring for my attention. In the water, there are no distractions, no emails to answer, no deadlines to meet. There is only me and the water, locked in a silent dance of movement and grace. I lose myself in the rhythm of my strokes, in the sound of my breath echoing in my ears. The water is my sanctuary, my refuge from the chaos of the world outside. It's a place where I can push myself to my limits, where I can test my strength and resilience in a way that is both challenging and rewarding. Swimming is not just a workout, it's a way of life. It's a commitment to myself, a promise to prioritize my health and well-being above all else. It's a reminder that I am capable of more than I ever thought possible, that my body is a powerful machine capable of incredible feats of strength and endurance. So I will continue to swim, to push myself further and faster, to embrace the burn and the challenge with open arms, because in the water I am free.